It says a big eye.
A big eye? That is cool. What letter is this?
Two.
No, it's U.
You.
U. How about what letter is this?
Big A.
Good job. Hey, and when's your birthday?
February 20th.
And what's your name?
Bethany Abbott.
Can you count to 15?
1, 2, 3, Bob. No.
No. 1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. You taking a milk break? Yeah. Say bye.